It is becoming more usual for defendants in a court case to request funding from the county to properly be able to put up a defense. This was the case in the Tim Bliefnick murder trial. Adams County State's Attorney Gary Farha says things like this happen more as a result of new court rulings. However, this one was a bit different.
Bliefnick is a little bit weird because he obviously had assets, but they were frozen because of the divorce. And so he didn't have access to that.
Bliefnick's attorney, Casey Schnock, requested funding from the county to give her client an opportunity to hire a private investigator to put up a proper defense. The court authorized $5,000 in expenses. This raised the question of how that money would be paid back to the county. The answer, it won't be.
I don't think there's going to be an ability to pay that back, and that's the unfortunate thing. But, you know, to ensure fair trials, to ensure that people are going to be represented, it's a very costly thing.
But this is a situation the county prepares for by including it in their budget, just like many other necessities.
It's a limited amount. It's not like you have free range to go spend $50,000 or $100,000, but the county does have that expense, just like, you know, there's expenses for experts all the time with psychological examinations, medical examinations, all sorts of things.
Farha says preparing for these types of situations is crucial in making sure everything in a case is done the right way.
All those things that happened in that case were done to make certain that this conviction stood. And we were confident that there was going to be a conviction, but it's a jury trial and you never know. But we definitely have an obligation to make sure both sides get a fair trial.
Farha says although this may sound expensive, things like this must be done to hold individuals accountable for their actions.
In this type of case, there's nothing we can do. I mean, if we're going to have a system of justice where we put away people that have committed terrible acts, then this is the price.
Reporting for KHQA News, Zach Richardson.